Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Alibaba, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Alibaba, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.alibaba.com and press enter. Wait for the Alibaba homepage to load completely. In the top right corner, locate the sign in button and click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first input box. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you would like to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me checkbox. Once you have filled in your credentials, look for the blue sign in button at the bottom and click it. If your email and password are correct, you will be redirected to your Alibaba account dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. If you haven't created an account yet, click on the Register link to set one up. Fill in the necessary information to successfully create your account. After registering, return to the login page with your new credentials. Now, you can proceed to log in following the same steps. Once logged in, you can browse, buy, and sell products on Alibaba with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.